everyone, welcome back to Mosin Fresh Kitchen. I am Yvonne, your host.
Hello guys, and I'm Chef Jay. And for today's dish, we're gonna make something quick and easy dish, especially for this busy day. It's made from our very own Mosin Fresh Roasted Duck with Cabbage. All we need is 1 can of Mosin Fresh Roasted Duck with Cabbage,
4 packets of instant noodles,
egg,
onion, half cabbage, a clove of garlic, and half of this Maggi cube.
cooking oil, and a pinch of black pepper. Also, we need oyster sauce, soy sauce,
No fancy ingredients, no long cooking time, ready in just 15 minutes. Let's get started.
Slice the garlic into dices. Slice and half onion. Open the 400 grams Mosin Fresh Roasted Duck with cabbage and pour it on in a bowl. Slice the half cabbage. Pour 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and heat it up in the electric pan and add the dices of garlic and stir. Once the dices of garlic turns golden brown, add in the slices of onion and stir. Add 400 grams of Mosin Fresh Roasted Duck with cabbage and stir. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes and add in the egg and stir. Add in the sliced cabbage and stir until it's dried. Remove the slices of cabbage and put aside. Add in water equivalent to a cup and let it boil for 1 minute, and add 4 instant noodle into the electric pan and let it boil for 2 minutes. Add in a cup of oyster sauce and stir. Add in a cup of soy sauce and stir. Add in the Maggi cube flavor and stir. Pour in a little bit of water and stir. Let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes so it can be dry and perfect. And now it's ready to be served. And now serve the cabbage on top of the fried noodles and add the dressing.
Try this recipe and tell us how it goes in the comment section. Do not forget to like and follow Mosin Fresh Kitchen for more delicious dish like this.
Bye for now.